Today we're going to be talking about fracturing. She cuts the... Cohen, just go to the principal's office.
What do you think a school's for, Brad?
Sorry, I keep disrupting the
You're
class.
not answering my question. What's a school for? To educate, isn't it? To use knowledge to wipe out ignorance. School's orchestra's having a concert this afternoon. You planning on going?
No, sir. My tics will ruin the music.
I want you to be there. Did you hear any noises during the quiet parts? They're pretty annoying, aren't they? The person making those noises is Brad Cohen. Come on up here, Brad.
What?
Do you like making noises and upsetting people, Brad?
No, sir.
Then why do you do it?
What? Because I have Tourette's syndrome.
What's that?
It's a thing in my brain that causes me to make rude noises.
But you could control it if you wanted to, right?
No, sir. It's a sickness.
Well, why can't you just get cured?
There isn't any cure. I don't like making noises any more than you like hearing them. They're even worse when I get stressed, when you don't accept that I can't stop them. But when I feel accepted, then they're not so bad.